Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever worked with big tables in Smartsheet and felt overwhelmed by a wall of information, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to collapse and expand rows in Smartsheet so you can make your sheets way more organized and much easier to read. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tuck away those extra rows under a parent row, perfect for decluttering your workspace and focusing only on what really matters. Let's get started. So let's say you've got a section of your Smartsheet where you want to collapse a group of rows underneath a specific header or title. Typically, this main header row is highlighted or bolded just to make it stand out. In our example, I've gone ahead and bolded the cell we want to use as our parent. That bold formatting isn't required for Smartsheet to work, but it's a helpful visual cue both for you and for your team so you always know which row acts as the group header. Now to collapse the rows, the next thing you want to do is select all the cells that are directly below your parent row. These are the items or tasks that you want to be part of the group. A quick hint. You don't need to select the column header or the bolded parent row itself. Just focus on the rows that belong underneath that header. Think of it like setting up files in folders on your computer. The parent row is the main folder and you're just placing the related files inside. Once you've highlighted all those rows, you're ready for the magic step, clicking Indent. You'll find the Indent button in your Smartsheet toolbar, usually represented by a little right-facing arrow. When you click it, you'll notice that those rows shift slightly to the right. What you've actually done here is tell Smartsheet that these rows are now subitems or children of that bolded parent cell. This is what allows you to collapse and expand them later. At this point, you'll see a little minus or plus icon appear next to the parent row, kind of like what you'd see in File Explorer when you're expanding or collapsing a folder. If you click on the little minus sign, all of the indented or child rows will disappear, tucking them neatly underneath the parent row so they're out of sight. This is perfect for when you're presenting your sheet to others and want to keep things tidy, or if you just need to minimize the clutter for a moment while you focus on a different section. To expand the rows and see your hidden items again, just click the plus icon next to the parent cell. Everything pops back into view exactly as you left it, so you don't have to worry about losing information or messing up your sheet structure. If this part feels a little fiddly at first, don't worry. Give yourself a moment to practice sometimes. Getting used to how parent and child rows work in Smartsheet takes a little bit of trial and error. But once you get the hang of it, you'll find yourself using this expand and collapse feature all the time, whether you're managing a project plan, a to-do list, or any kind of grouped information. And that's it. Simple as that, you now know how to expand and collapse rows in Smartsheet, keeping your workspace streamlined and easy to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tips on Smartsheet and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.